What's up, guys? It's me again, Mampheko. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you guys in the place where they call the RTBS Dam. RTBS Dam is the beautiful place where you can come and chill. Okay, guys, let's just view the place. As you guys, you can see here now on, looks like it's a police station. Yeah, RTBS police station. Yeah, you know, guys, if you got money, you live a soft life. All these houses here, they are top-notch houses. You stand in a balcony, you see the water flowing, which means you got money. Not like me, I'm staying in Mampheko. The house, they are beautiful, the cars, they are beautiful. So everything is beautiful. I don't know about the women. Where we're driving, guys, we're just next to the lake for RTBS Dam. Currently, it's hard to see this lake here just because it's surrounded with this tree. The place is a jungle, guys. Jungle. It's a jungle and at the same time it's nice. Very beautiful. On the left on my side is where the dam, where the lake it is. Hey, look at this mountain. Very unique place, very unique. All structure building. Still taking places here, still taking places. That's the lake, You can even see the house on a mountain. As long as you got money, you do whatever you like. They're beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Just imagine you sit next to the lake like that. You see houses, guys. Very beautiful. My God. Along the lake, it's the houses. The place is very beautiful, very green. Me, I like forest. I like forest too much, guys. Look at down here, you see those green thing, you look like it's just a ground, it's the water. Yeah, now you got the situation here. What's cooking now here? Stop and go. Okay, yeah, there's a stop and go, guys. We got robots here. Oh, it's a tunnel here. It's a tunnel, guys. Very unique one. As you can see, there's a huge rock. There's a huge rock, guys. Oh my God. Look at up there. You. Oh, this is huge. Very, very huge. This tunnel, guys, looks like only one way. A real rock, guys. This is, oh, just a small tunnel. Very, very beautiful. Look at those water. Look at how nice is this. Very unique. My God, look at that water. Look at that. Those water, they open it. If they want, they close it again. People take this place here, selling avocado, selling amarula, all those kind of stuff. Yeah. Amarula, guys, everywhere. To buy amarula, it's just because you got a lot of money. Just stop at the side of the road, you eat marula. But don't eat too much just because you're going to get drunk. Everywhere. Marula, 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 marula. I know. Most of us African, we know what is a marula. You can even see these guys. They just pick up on the side of the road. Now he's going to sell it. Hustling, guys. Hustling. Some ladies, they're on a phone calling boyfriend. I know. If you see ladies, it's up to something. But not all of them. Today there's a cloud, guys. Looks like it's gonna be heavy rain afternoon. Yeah, business taking place in the side of the road here. Other side, people, they're cooking, some of them they're eating. Yeah, which is good. Once you wake up, you must know what is your mission. If you don't know what are you awake for, then is a problem. outside business taking place here. It's bad if it's raining just because you can't even run your business outside. What's up, guys? I'm back again. The place where we just crossed now. As you guys you can see, we're on a queue. We're on a queue waiting to go. This place, if you're in a hurry, you won't even make it. I'm trying to see a monkeys or maybe some baboon on top of the mountain. That's why I'm zooming, but I don't believe I can see anything now just because it's cold. And we don't know how long this robot for passing tunnel, how long will it take. Maybe open 5 cars or 10 cars, we don't know. But this place looks neat. It looks like you can come and chill here. People taking place. Man, if you are still alive, life is tough. As long as you're still alive, life is tough, really. If you wake up, you must know what you're gonna throw in your stomach. Otherwise, it's gonna be a disaster, guys. Yeah, that's life. That's life. That's why you see each and every morning people, they're bumping each other. Look at guys, how beautiful it is. Very, very beautiful. This is the beauty of nature. Beauty of nature. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. wonder how they know this is the last car or this is the first car.